Divide 57 by 2. So here we divide 57 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 7. So now it became 17. So 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no any number beside. So we put decimal and we keep here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 57 divided by 2 we get 28 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.